Here are 7 different streams of income you can make with the same book as a self-published author without using Amazon KDP. Income stream number 1 is, of course, the printed copy of the book. You can have this book printed and shipped on demand, which means you only order a copy when somebody purchases a copy. Great places to do this are press.barnesandnoble.com, Lulu Express, Publish Drive, Ingram Spark. There's a lot of print-on-demand vendors. A lot of you girls ask me for my favorites. It really doesn't matter what my favorites are. There are so many. Just do your research, choose the one that works best for you. But you can sell the printed hard copy version of this book. The second income stream you can make as a self-published author without using Amazon KDP is the digital ebook version of the book. The digital ebook version of the book. Now, some people will combine the ebook version of the book with the printed version of the book and sell them together. You actually don't have to do this. So if you've got my book, How to Write a Book and Make Money Online, you'll notice that on that sales page, the ebook is available, but in that, it's called an order form bump. In that little yellow box, I had this little physical copy of my writing planner, which you learn how to use inside of the ebook, but to order the physical planner, you had to click that little button and it would add $10 to your order. So you can have the ebook for sale and then sell the printed book as the upsell, or have the printed book for sale and then sell the ebook version as the order form bump. If you've never heard of this type of stuff, this is all sales funnel terminology. Get into ClickFunnels, clickfunnels.com. I'll leave my affiliate link down below. That's where I build my sales funnels for my books. The third stream of income you can make as a self-published author without using Amazon KDP is to have the audiobook version of your book. The audiobook version of your book. So Myron Golden does this a lot. If you purchase his ebook, he has like these amazing audio trainings of him basically teaching the information in that book over like a 3 or 4 day period. It's like hours of training. And so you can purchase that as an upsell to the book after you've already purchased the book. So you don't have to sell all these together. You can have it as an upsell. And if you look at Amazon Audible, people are used to paying like $37, $39 for audiobooks. You can charge a premium for it. And nowadays with AI, you can have your audiobook recorded with your voice using AI. How cool is that? Let me know if you want a video showing you how to do that. The fourth income stream you can make with your same book as a self-published author without using Amazon KDP, and we're going to get into some real money options here. The fourth thing you can do is turn your book into an online course. Turn your book into an online course. So I actually did this with my book, How to Make a Sales Funnel That Earns Money While You Sleep. I turned that into the Godlywood Girl School of Business. And y'all know, praise God, I sold that thing a lot. And it's basically everything you're learning inside of the book, but you're seeing it demonstrated for you on a course format. And the reason why there are some people who are going to purchase your book and then upgrade into the course version is because a large percentage of the United States population are visual learners. We have to see it in order to be able to apply it. So even though we're reading it in the book, it's when you show it to us in the online course that we're going to be able to say, oh, I can do that really, really fast. So don't make the course necessary to use the information in the book. People should be able to apply the book without your course. But for those who buy the book, who are visual learners, say, hey, I recorded myself doing the steps that I teach you in the book. Would you like to purchase it? And sell that course for at least $97. I'd love for you to sell it for $200, at least $300, but I understand we have to work up to it. At least $97. That way, you only have to make 10 sales a month to make $1,000 a month. The fifth income stream you can make as a self-published author without using Amazon KDP is selling the live class version of your book. The live class version of your book. So the online course is where you have pre-recorded this material, you've uploaded it to a course creation platform like Thinkific or Kajabi, and then you're selling that to people. The live class version is where you are teaching this stuff live to the people who attend. If you've been on the Godlywood Girl email list for a few years, you may remember I used to do live classes all the time. I had my son. I no longer am in a position to do that. But before then, I was always on a live class. My book, How to Start a T-Shirt Business, I sold the live class version in the T-Shirt Business Accelerator. For 5 days straight, I went live on Zoom, literally showed you how to start your own print-on-demand T-shirt business so you could use that as a companion to what you were learning in the book. And this is such a great way to make money because an online course, you have to do a lot of work in advance. You got to, write your video scripts, film them, edit them, record them, upload them, and then make for sale. A live class, you do nothing Nothing. All you do is sell links to a Zoom, and then you do everything live on the Zoom. So there's almost zero prep work involved. It's awesome. And you just need a Zoom link to do this, or a Facebook group. You can go live in a Facebook group as well. The sixth way you can make money with the same book as a self-published author without using Amazon KDP is to offer the VIP intensive version of your book, the VIP intensive. And what a VIP intensive is, it's a one-on-one coaching session. You and the person who purchased the coaching session, where you will actually help them execute what you taught inside of the book. If you picking up what I'm putting down, you should be charging at least $1,000 for one of these. Please, please, please don't let people take your time up for $97. Don't do that. You're literally helping them do what you teach inside of the book. You're holding their hand and sometimes even doing it for them while they're watching you on the Zoom. So charge a premium for this. But let's say, for example, in my book, I teach you how to discover your God-given purpose. I give you all the steps, but let's say you're somebody who wants somebody to hold your hand. So I'll say, okay, for a VIP session, I'll sit with you for 4 hours, help you apply these steps, discover your God-given purpose, help you create a legendary action plan to achieve your purpose, and help you create your legendary goal cards to execute the legendary action plan. So we're gonna take 4 hours together via Zoom. I'm gonna help you do this step by step, even though I teach you in the book, but in the VIP, I'm gonna show you how to do this step by step, and it's $1,000. You can always offer a payment plan. Just make sure everybody is paid in full before you do the VIP session. But this is a great, if you're somebody who's like not super introverted, that's why I stopped offering VIP sessions. I'm an introvert. I can't do it anymore. But if you're somebody who's extroverted, you like giving people your energy, this is a great way to add additional income with your book. All you gotta do is put a little link at the end of each chapter if you want me to help you do this step by step. Book a VIP session, and then let people book a discovery call with you to see if it's a good fit. And finally, the seventh income stream you can make with the same book without using Amazon KDP, this is my favorite income stream for self-published authors to do, is a group coaching program. A group coaching program. And the reason why this is one of my favorite income streams for self-published authors is because you have the opportunity to teach one-to-many, which means you have the opportunity to make a lot of money. I have done a ton of group coaching programs in my past here at Godlywood Girl. The T-shirt Business Accelerator, the Write Your Ebook Accelerator, the Prayer Journal Accelerator, the Daily Devotional Accelerator. Like, I've done so many. And back in the day, in 2020, 2021, I was running them things back to back to back. Like, I got to T-shirt Business Accelerator 13.0. That's how many times I ran those group coaching programs. What's great about it is that you are teaching the same information you would have taught in a one-on-one, but you get paid by a ton of different people. And since it's Zoom, you have an unlimited amount of seats that you can sell. If you're on the regular Zoom meeting plan, that's like $14.99 a month, you can have up to 100 people. 100 people, imagine that. You charge $97 for this 5-day group coaching program accelerator. $100 a seat. That's 10 grand. To the people who have read your book. And all you're doing is you're teaching them live one of the steps you teach in your book. Don't teach all of them, right? We wanted the opportunity for repeat business. So it's more, hopefully you've written a book that's, let me get into that. But basically chapter 1, the first accelerator could be teaching chapter 1. The second accelerator could be teaching chapter 2. The third, teaching chapter 3. And that way you can dramatically increase your income by teaching the same information that you teach in your book. Now let me pause a little bit and say, none of this works if you have not written a book that is a solution to a problem. The only way people are going to purchase different forms of our book is if we are solving a problem. People don't just buy books, they buy solutions to the form of their problems in the form of a book. So make sure you have presented your book as a clear solution to a clear problem. If you don't know how to do that, I've created an entire online course that shows you how to do it step by step. It's the Godlywood Girl Faith-Based Author School. Let me give you a little sneak peek. Hey, it's your girl, Steph Rodnez, and if you've been struggling to move forward on your journey as a faith-based author, I've created a brand new community called the Godlywood Girl Faith-Based Author School, just for women like you who want to move forward in your purpose as a woman of Christ, writing books. The school includes the Author Toolkit, which has 10 tutorials for 10 different types of Christian books you can write, including nonfiction books, daily devotionals, prayer journals, ebooks. There's a lot in there. You'll get access to the Godlywood Girl Book Funnel Toolkit, which shows you how to take your book, bundle it up, and put it into a sales funnel, including a lead magnet funnel, a tripwire funnel, and my very favorite, a webinar funnel. You'll get access to the book promotion toolkit, which shows you how to create a marketing plan to promote your funnel, because in order for people to buy our books, right, we have to tell them about it. And that's what the marketing toolkit shows you how to do. Plus, you'll get access to a community of other women who are writing faith-based books just like you are. Sis, you do not have to do this alone. Come join the brand new Godlywood Girl Faith-Based Author School so you can get the tutorials you need, you can get the community you need, and most importantly, you can get the network that you need to step into your purpose as a faith-based author. I can't wait to see you there. Visit ChristianAuthorSchool.com to fill out the application form and apply today. If you haven't yet started your email list as a faith-based author, watch my free 3-day Start Your Book Business Challenge where I show you how to do it step by step. Go to ChristianBusinessToolkit.com. And in the meantime, don't forget to watch this video for even more resources to help you step into your purpose as a self-published author. I can't wait to see you there.